Hi everyone, and welcome to the Mat 211 review of conditional probability and independence. My name is Julia, and I work for the tutoring centers at ASU. So, a person has a 40% chance of grabbing a red sock from a drawer, and there is a 32% chance of rain that day. What is the probability that a red sock is chosen from the drawer and it rains? So the first thing we want to do here is we want to consider whether or not the events are independent, mutually exclusive, or neither. This will allow us to figure out which way we want to compute the probability of both of these events happening. So just from looking at this, grabbing a red sock out of a drawer does not affect whether it rains. And vice versa, whether it rains probably doesn't affect whether we grab a red sock out of a drawer. Now you could probably argue that, but we're going to assume that that's the case here. So what that means is that these two events are independent. So red sock, or grabbing red sock, is independent from rain. They aren't mutually exclusive though, since both can happen at the same time. So since the probabilities are independent, we have this formula here. The probability of some event A and some event B is equal to the probability of the event A times the probability of the event B. And as I said, this is when events A and B are independent. So let's pick one of these to be A and one of these to be B. We'll say that the event A is grabbing the red sock. Therefore, we know that the probability of A is going to be equal to 40% or 0.4. We'll call B, in this case, that it rains. And we know that then the probability of B is equal to 32% or 0.32. So then the probability of A and B is equal to the probability of A, 0.4, times the probability of B, 0.32. And if we do the math on this, we find that this is 0.128. Or if we want to write it as a percentage again, we could say that this is 12.8%. And that's our answer. So before I go, I just want to remind you all that if you are looking for any additional tutoring or academic support at ASU, you can go to the Tutoring Center's website, tutoring.asu.edu, to find all of our resources. Additionally, if you're looking for tutoring services for your specific course, you can use our tutor search tool, which you can find at our main website here, or by going to this full link directly in order to get directly to the tool. So thanks so much and have a great rest of your day.